We're delving into the perplexing issue of your AirPods flashing orange and how to rectify it. The occurrence of orange flashes on your AirPods typically signals a charging problem, which often arises when the AirPods are running low on battery. Here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve this charging dilemma. Firstly, ensure to recharge the AirPods. Connect your AirPods to a power source using an official Apple charger or cable. Allow the AirPods to charge until they reach full battery capacity. Disconnect the AirPods from the charging device to determine if the issue persists. If the problem persists after recharging, proceed to reset the AirPods. Navigate to your phone's settings and select the Bluetooth option. Locate your AirPods in the list and tap on the icon beside their name. Select the Forget option to remove the AirPods from your device's Bluetooth settings. Open the lid of the AirPods case and press the Setup button for approximately 15 seconds until the orange flashes transition to a steady white light. Wait for the connection prompt to appear on your phone and then reconnect your AirPods. Lastly, clean the charging terminals of the AirPods. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate on the charging terminals, impeding effective charging. Utilize materials such as cotton swabs and 70% isopropyl alcohol to meticulously clean the AirPods and their case's charging terminals. Ensure all dirt and debris are thoroughly removed before reattempting to use the AirPods. Give your AirPods a whirl to confirm if the issue has been resolved. And with that, we conclude our troubleshooting journey. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time.